Come on, buddy, you need to go to sleep. Yes, it's too early to wake up. You want that?
Yeah.
Okay, you can have it after the TV turns on, okay? Hi. Hey everyone, it's me. Welcome back. I'm tired. So, you only saw a quarter of the amount of times that Harrison was up this morning. The first time, I'm not exactly sure what time it was, but then the next time it was 3, and then it was 4, and then it was 5, and then it was 6:45, and now we're completely up. And so it's just, I'm tired. It's gonna be a lazy day today. As you can tell, I put my hoodie on, and I'm not gonna do anything special today, so I hope you don't mind as well. But I'm gonna go downstairs and at least just go relax for a little bit, and then get Harrison some breakfast, me some breakfast, and yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Some bananas for you, okay? You want a bite?
Yeah.
Hey. Well, I decided I would make myself some breakfast. I'm doing eggs, toast, with some butter and some actual ham that we have left over in the freezer. But Curtis just got home from work. He's gonna spend the rest of the day working from home, and it'll just be Harrison and I too, along with Curtis downstairs. But today's vlog, I'm doing more of like an unedited day in the life vlog, so you can see what it's like here at home. Yeah. I don't know what I want to say, guys. I'm tired. I'm gonna finish eating and then I'll come back to you. Okay, I had some breakfast. I'm feeling a little bit better. I kind of get hangry and all sorts of weird emotions when I'm hungry. Just either I don't want to talk or I'm just out of it, primarily hangry. And that was it. I was just hangry and I needed food. But now I have food in my belly and I'm feeling so much better. But as I was trying to explain prior to my breakfast, today's vlog, I want to do it more along the lines of an unedited day in the life, so you can see what it's like in my home. I don't want to go like all out and have you guys think I'm crazy, so you know, there's probably gonna be some things that I'm not gonna put in here. So that is my plan, kind of doing more of an unedited day in the life type of vlog. There's also a few little unboxing things that I want to do. I got something from Amazon I'm going to show you, and then I also got my second Grove box that I'm also going to show you. So we're going to do that and essentially just kind of hang out all day. So I hope you don't mind, And I hope it's not too boring for you, because, you know, heck, I enjoy doing these things, so I guess we'll see how it goes. But that's it right now. Curtis is gonna go do a it's windy outside. I didn't realize that. He's gonna go do a work call, and so Harrison and I are gonna hang out for a little bit, and then Curtis will be done, and then Harrison can have free reign of both of us, which usually happens while he just kind of does some simple work programming stuff. So I'm gonna go downstairs and go take care of my little dude. So see you guys in a bit. Okay, so here is the item that I got from Amazon. I'm actually really excited for this. I've been debating for a long while on doing this. And I decided, you know what, screw it, I'll do it. I don't care. So I decided to get one of these so that I could get rid of this ugly plastic one. Like, it's not ugly, it's just not very well thought through. The one thing that really bugs me about it is there's very little space for each item. So like with our spoons and our forks, they just pile on one another. And then instead of having like straight down flat angles to use all of this space, they curve, and so there's a lot of empty space because of this, and it's time for this one to go. So I got the replacement bamboo one, and I'm going to update this drawer and swap it out. I'm gonna clean it and get it put in the drawer. I've got it all clean, so now it's time to put it inside. almost lunchtime and he is hungry, but he wants junk food. And so I'm sitting here thinking what I'm gonna make him for lunch. And he wants the junk food and I won't give it to him. So. Okay, we're gonna pull one of these out, let him decide. Okay, come here. You cannot play with the doggy's food. No, sorry buddy. He has a habit of taking the food and running it into things and knocking it over and spilling it out, so I don't let him play with the doggy's food. Okay, come on out. Let's go pick. Right here. Which one do you want? Come pick it out. Go pick it out. Which one do you want? Pick one. You got beefaroni?
Yeah.
Or ravioli?
Only.
You want that one?
Yeah.
Okay, give it to me and we'll put it in a bowl and warm it up. Hi, Sky. Chair.
Like you.
No, you're not gonna push it up again.
Like you. Like you.
No, we're not gonna go over there. Come over here. No, we're not gonna move it over there.
Like you.
No, you're not sitting at the table.
Like
No, you have to sit in your chair. You're gonna make a mess.
people.
You have to sit in your chair.
Mm-mm.
You have to sit in your chair.
Heel.
Go sit in your chair.
Yeah. Why heel?
Good job, Abby.
Mess. Mess.
Yep, you will make a mess.
Yeah. And boo.
Yep.
Only. Juice. Flour.
Let me just drop this stuff. Okay, so while he is eating, I figure I'll open up my next Grove package that I just got. So I'm gonna open that up, show you what I got, and then maybe by then it'll be nap time or lunchtime or sometime, I don't know, whatever time. So they left another note like they did on the first one. This one says, "You're doing awesome, Carissa." So thank you, Grove. I love these little notes you leave on the boxes. They are beautiful. So I decided to try out these, the Solid shampoo and conditioner. I currently use Tresemme, and I need something better for my hair because my hair is just, it just breaks really, really easy, and it's thin. It's thinner than I like, but the reason being is, you know, 2 years ago I had a baby and went through postpartum hair loss, and so of course I lost a lot of hair because of that. And like, I have my hair growing in. It's, you can't really see it, it's not very frizzy today, but it's probably about like, my grow in is about like around here-ish, and so I just need more. I have some pretty thin areas. If you can see anything, like I've got thin areas. Hello. Thin areas right there that need to be unthinned. Paper fell down. So I got some of this based on a lot of research that I've done. If you buy the right kind of shampoo that has the right cleaners in there for your hair, then you don't have to worry about oil and residue buildup. Your hair gets clean, but it's not as harsh as, yeah, that's your spoon, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not as harsh on your hair because you're not using the harsh sulfates and sulfites, something like that. you're not using those harsh detergents on your hair that strip your hair of everything. So based on this, it's high bar, says no parabens, sulfates, silicone, phthalates, or cruelty. It's made in the US, so it's you know, made local. I got the shampoo and the conditioner right here. So I have to wash my hair tonight as I go to work tomorrow. So I will try this out and I'll bring you guys along with me. I got a free little lip balm. I'm always carrying around a thing of lip balm, chapstick. I always call them chapstick even though that's the brand, but I always have chapstick in my pocket. This one is EOS. It's a mint shea butter. This one is from Rooted. It's with chia seed and argan oils. So we'll see how this one works. It's got sunflower, beeswax, cocoa, seed butter, coconut, chia seed oil, peppermint oil, argan oil, vitamin E, spearmint oil, nutmeg oil, cardamom oil, and it says it's certified organic, made in San Francisco. So there's that one. Next is more of this stuff. I love this stuff. So I got a little 2-pack this time, and got that. I also decided to try Miss Myers, because if I decide that I want to stop doing Grove anytime soon, I don't know where I can buy this. You be quiet for mommy?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. So, I don't know where I'd be able to buy it. Be quiet. Shh. So, I don't know where I'd be able to buy any of this, but I do know where I can buy Miss Myers. So, I decided I'd try this one. This one is a concentrate, and it's honeysuckle. So I hope this one smells good. I've smelled some of the other smells from Miss Myers and they're nasty. This one, honeysuckle, said that it had quite a bit of review saying it's a good smelling smell. So I hope it's a good smelling smell. But that is everything I got. So I'm done with that now. Man got done eating, and even though he had a bib on, he still gets it on his shirt. You still get it on your shirt. Goofy boy.
Oh boy.
But you've got the hiccups now and he's eating candy. Do you need to suck the boogers out? Yeah, suck the boogers? Okay, let's get the booger sucker. Saw this on TikTok, saw a couple different videos of people demoing this, and it says it works. So far it looks like it's doing really well. Okay, so we're gonna go take a nap. I'm going to get his sound machine and grab it. Okay. We're gonna take a nap here in Mom's room.
Yes.
I'm gonna turn it on and we're gonna take a nap. About ready to hop in the shower now that I got food in my tummy again. So I'm gonna hop in the shower, going to wash my hair, going to try these guys out for the first time, and yeah, I'll let you know how they think, but I'm gonna open it up first. So comes wrapped, and that's what it looks like. Just wrapped up in this little paper. This smells really weird. But there's the conditioner. it's a lot shinier than the shampoo, so I don't think I'll have a hard time trying to distinguish between each other. Shampoo, conditioner. See, big difference.
A few moments later.
I've got wet hair, so figured I'd come in and tell you how it went while my hair's still wet. The shampoo is really easy. All you do is you just take like the slanted side on the top and you just kind of rub it in your hair, and then it doesn't lather up like normal shampoo. So you get a little bit of suds, but if you rub it up against your hair enough, you eventually start feeling that there's enough and you can start scraping. With the conditioner, that one was a little bit hard because I didn't feel like I got enough on it, but it says with the conditioner, it doesn't dry your hair like liquid conditioners, so it's different. It's a different feel. So I did feel different. I'm hoping that it's good. I have my leave-in conditioner that I'm going to put into my hair now since I am out of the shower, and we'll see how it feels when it's all dry. Yeah.
Daddy.
So Curtis is in the shower and Harrison is not happy about that. There are times when Curtis gets in the shower and he has a mental breakdown, and I think it's because Curtis shuts the door. Whereas I keep the door open so Harrison is able to come in and bug me all he wants, but with Curtis, he's not able to. And Harrison doesn't like that. He's also really tired as well. He keeps saying he wants to go to bed, which I don't understand. He's so tired, but he won't sleep. I don't know what to do. What? You want me to get up?
Yeah.
Okay, where are we going?
Back. Back.
You want me to put the camera back?
Yeah.
But I'm not done yet.
I'm back.
I'm not done yet.
I'm done.
Okay. I will be back. So, we'll be back. Give me a second, okay? Okay, so hair is pretty much dry by now and it feels good. But, you know, of course I put my leave-in conditioner, so of course it feels nice and soft. But so far, I'm liking the shampoo bar and conditioner. I'll let you know how it goes later on as the week progresses. Maybe next video you'll get some cleaning stuff, decluttering stuff. I don't know, I just haven't been in the mood to do any of that lately. And I think it's just because Harrison's been sick and not sleeping, and I'm tired and grumpy, and I just don't care to do anything right now, so. But I'm going to call it a night. I want to say thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment below, or even click the bell so you know when I post next. But I'll see you in next video. Bye everyone.